How to reduce battery usage for apps running in the background. This is for Samsung phones with Android 13 or Android 14. And here's how you can do this for apps individually. Let's go ahead and get started. If there is an app that's constantly running in the background and you want to restrict it from constantly running in the background, using up your data or using up your Wi-Fi, and even worst of all, using up your battery life. So in order to do this here, the safest way is by long pressing on that app first. So maybe I want to do this for Google Photos here. I'll long press it like this here. And then I want to go to that little eye icon right there. Tapping on that once here now will now give me these set of options, which is under the app info for this particular app itself. Now I'll go to where the battery section is here. You'll see battery. And once in this section here, you can choose from whether it's unrestricted, optimized, or restricted. Unrestricted means this thing is gonna run like no tomorrow in the background, whether you like it or not, and it's gonna reduce that battery life. Optimized is gonna be a balanced version to it. It'll eventually learn its little activities and adjust to it slightly, helping you reduce that battery usage in the background. But if you wanna stop this particular app, may it be perhaps Facebook or any other app that has so much notifications coming in and you wanna kind of cut down on that there, you wanna switch it over to restricted. Restricted now prevents that app from running in the background. It also will stop notifications from coming the way they usually do. However, once you go into that app, you're gonna receive all those notifications in there. But the purpose is to reduce it from using up your battery life and running in that background when you are not aware of it, okay? So hopefully this guide helps you. Like and sub.